We are going to update people on this Dow, Nasdaq 100, which has finally got that big reversal up there at 28.75. We're making big money on that. Nasdaq Composites finally pulling back. We hit 1475 on the S&P, and we are pulling back to the 1446. Now, part of the selling is that, as we have clearly said in the bull rally, that you have to have a pullback, and you're below the 10-day simple moving average on the Dow. Now, on the S&P 500, when we take a look at it, and we're going
It just dropped down real quick. Almost got hit.
We're going into the last hour of trading. What I'm trying to tell people on the S&P is, I clearly said we got off boarded there at 1475 and started buying the index put options on the S&P. And that we finally, from extreme overbought levels that we had showed, that you have to have this pullback, and that you're going into calendar earnings, and you got Spain rioting right now in the street. And even our Google, it's acting good. We sold in up there at the highs. We're going to buy back cheaper. We've been waiting for this big pullback, and we'll maintain the fact that you should buy that. Now, you can see that it closed at 749.38, and you went below there. Now, that S&P 500, here's that Nasdaq composite chart, and I'm going to show you that we're going into an earnings season. And you can see right here on the Nasdaq composite on this daily that we're coming down below the 10-day simple moving average and about to break that 20-day simple moving average. And every bull needs to pull back, whether it's indexes, equities across the board, FOMC, big long rally. We're closing out the quarter. Yeah, we got a huge $2 move, $3 move right here in Google off of that bottom. That meant that those contracts came down here to $9.10. They're 880 by 980, 87 by 880. That is the 745 call that we're looking at still, and let me let you know it. They were $22 on the high, and I will buy at the lows. But once again, let's get back to the indexes and the selling in the last hour. It's a quick update. It's for everyone to understand that bull rallies are overbought. Bull rallies will pull back, and they will do exactly what I say. And not only that, big bellwethers have got to pull back. These big trades, these big bull moves in Google. Look at that, $16.22 range. 71 lows and 241 highs. This is the way an overbought stock on Google should trade. You should make it up there. We did. And we pull back, and we'll be buying the dips, just like we tell people. And the thing about it is, it will provide opportunities when it works its overbought level off on the weekly. Yes, you heard what I said. That weekly level on Google was at 97.5%. It is the best bull trend out here. But like I always say, every bull must pull back. Now it's 95%. This thing on this weekly was 97.5%, and now it's 95%, Mr. Goley, because you had a big day intraday reversal to work the weekly overbought bull off. So as the weekly overbought bull works itself off, we'll let these shorts run over here. The put options are finally paying. They were 848 on the low, and we can see it. And I'm just giving this update. Them are paying big, $10 up. Never thought it could happen. Never thought the calls could come down. Well, they can, and we'll buy them. That's my update right now. We're very excited in this last hour. We're very excited about being able to buy dips on the good quality stocks.